Hey there, food lovers, welcome back to another delicious adventure. Get ready for a flavor explosion that will transport you straight to the heart of Italy. Today, we're diving into the world of Italian chicken soup, a dish that's as comforting as it is flavorful. This ain't your grandma's chicken soup, folks. It's a modern twist on a classic blending tradition with innovation. This is the real deal, packed with flavor and love. Each spoonful is a journey through the rich culinary heritage of Italy. It's the perfect meal for a chilly night or when you need some comfort food. Imagine gathering around the table with loved ones, sharing stories and laughter over a steaming bowl of this delicious soup. This soup is all about simple ingredients and bold flavors. We're talking tender chicken, fresh veggies, and aromatic herbs that come together to create something truly special. And let's not forget the rich, savory broth. It's the backbone of the soup, simmered to perfection to bring out all those deep, comforting flavors. It's the kind of soup that warms you up from the inside out, making you feel cozy and content. So grab your aprons, and let's get cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, this Italian chicken soup is sure to impress. Let's make some magic happen in the kitchen. Alright, let's round up the gang of ingredients for this flavor-packed adventure. You'll need some boneless, skinless chicken breasts diced. Grab some carrots, celery, and onion. Don't forget the garlic. We're talking about flavor, baby. You'll need chicken broth too. And of course, we gotta have those Italian spices, dried oregano, dried basil, salt, and black pepper. Now let's get this party started. Today, we're diving into a heartwarming recipe that's perfect for any cozy night in. Grab a large pot or Dutch oven. This will be the vessel for our delicious creation. Heat some olive oil over medium heat. Make sure the oil is shimmering before moving on to the next step. Add the diced chicken and cook until it's nice and browned. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. This will give our soup a great depth of flavor. Browning the chicken is crucial for that rich, savory taste. Once the chicken is golden brown, toss in those diced veggies, carrots, celery, and onion. These vegetables will add a wonderful aroma and texture to our soup. Cook them until they soften up a bit, about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir occasionally to ensure they cook evenly and absorb all those delicious flavors from the chicken and oil. This step is key to building the base of our comforting soup. Section 4. Simmering with flavor. Welcome to a journey where every ingredient plays a crucial role in creating a symphony of taste. Time to infuse some serious flavor. Let's start by gathering all our ingredients. Freshness is key, so make sure everything is prepped and ready. Add those minced garlic cloves to the pot. Garlic is the heart of this dish, providing a robust base flavor. Cook for about a minute, letting that garlic aroma fill your kitchen. The sizzling sound is music to a chef's ears. Pour in that chicken broth, which will serve as the flavorful liquid foundation for our dish, and stir in the dried oregano. Oregano adds a touch of earthiness that complements the garlic perfectly. Now, add dried basil, salt, and pepper. These spices will enhance the overall flavor profile, making each bite a delight. Bring this delicious concoction to a boil. The bubbling action helps to blend all the flavors together. Then, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer. This slow cooking process is essential for deepening the flavors. Let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. This allows the ingredients to break down and meld together. This will give the chicken time to cook through, becoming tender and juicy, and the flavors to meld together beautifully. The end result is a rich, flavorful dish that will warm your soul and tantalize your taste buds. Section 5. Serving your masterpiece. Alright folks, it's time to eat. Ladle that steaming hot soup into bowls. Now here's the best part. Sprinkle on some freshly grated Parmesan cheese and serve it with crusty Italian bread. Trust me, the cheese and bread take this soup to a whole new level. Section 6. Buon appetito. There you have it, a big bowl of Italian comfort food that will warm your heart and soul. It's the perfect meal to share with your family and friends. So gather around the table, grab a spoon, and dig in. You won't be disappointed.